Hey guys, welcome back to yet another helpful video from How Logical. And in this video, I am going to show you how to contact Agoda customer service through email. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to contact Agoda customer service through the email, you just simply have to open your Gmail or any other email platform that you use, and after that click to compose. Now, after coming into this email composition section, you just simply have to enter the email address of biz@agoda.com. Then, after entering this email address, you just simply have to write down the issue or the subject that you want to talk about with Agoda customer service. Then, after writing down subject, explain the whole issue into the body part of the email. Then after this, click to this blue send button at the top right side, and then your mail will successfully be sent to the customer service of Agoda. By following these very easy steps, you can easily talk or contact the customer service in email. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.